The 2026 Volvo Arctic Conqueror 6x6 is not just a motorhome, it's a moving fortress built for those who believe that no place is too remote and no climate too harsh. Imagine a machine that laughs at limits, a fusion of Scandinavian engineering and expedition-grade toughness that can take you from icy tundras to rocky deserts without breaking a sweat. This is the ultimate definition of adventure on wheels, where power, luxury, and innovation unite to create something truly extraordinary. At first glance, the Arctic Conqueror looks like a futuristic beast ready for anything nature throws its way. The massive six-wheel setup gives it unmatched stability and traction, while the aggressive LED headlights cut through blizzards and fog like a lighthouse guiding you home. The high ground clearance, thick off-road tires, and reinforced steel bumpers make it look more like a military-grade vehicle than a recreational one. Volvo has designed this machine for explorers who crave the unknown, ensuring every inch of it radiates confidence and strength. Step closer and the details start to shine. The front design is bold and purposeful, with aerodynamic contours that not only look stunning but help the truck cut through wind and snow efficiently. The grille proudly displays the Volvo badge, symbolizing durability and trust. There's a built-in winch, heavy-duty tow hooks, and a high-beam setup designed for deep wilderness adventures. Even in total darkness, this vehicle creates its own daylight. Move to the side, and the full scale of the Arctic Conqueror becomes clear. It's a massive 6x6 expedition motorhome designed to carry everything you need for months off-grid. The body is built from lightweight yet incredibly strong composite materials, giving it the ability to handle extreme temperatures from the freezing poles to scorching deserts. The six huge wheels are wrapped in terrain-dominating tires capable of plowing through snow, mud, and gravel with ease. Roof-mounted solar panels ensure a steady power supply, while external storage compartments carry recovery gear, fuel cans, and survival tools. Every element serves a purpose, nothing is just for show. But the real magic begins once you step inside. The Arctic Conqueror's interior is where Scandinavian comfort meets futuristic innovation. Warm ambient lighting fills the space, reflecting off premium wood accents and soft leather seats. Despite its rugged exterior, the cabin feels like a luxury apartment. There's a full kitchenette with modern appliances, a fridge, induction stove, and storage for weeks of supplies. The dining area doubles as a workspace, perfect for editing videos or mapping the next leg of your journey. At the rear, a cozy sleeping area with a plush bed ensures restful nights even in freezing conditions. The climate control system is fully automatic, maintaining ideal temperatures no matter what's happening outside. There's a compact bathroom with a shower and toilet, complete with water filtration systems for self-sufficient travel. You can live off-grid for weeks thanks to large water tanks, solar arrays, and high-capacity batteries. The cockpit is pure Volvo brilliance, digital dashboards, holographic displays, and an advanced navigation system designed for off-road exploration. Satellite communication ensures you're never truly out of touch, even in the most remote corners of the world. Safety systems like terrain assist, slope control, and adaptive suspension make driving this giant surprisingly smooth and stable. From the back, the design continues to impress. The rear houses spare tires, utility boxes, and a sturdy ladder leading to the roof rack. LED taillights glow through the snow, giving it a signature look during night expeditions. Everything about the Arctic Conqueror feels engineered for resilience and reliability. It's not just transportation, it's a command center on wheels. For adventurers, digital nomads, and thrill seekers, the 2026 Volvo Arctic Conqueror 6x6 represents freedom without limits. It's not about where the road ends, it's about where the journey begins. Whether you're driving across frozen lakes in Alaska or exploring the deserts of Nevada, this vehicle ensures comfort, safety, and independence at every mile. It turns impossible routes into unforgettable memories. This isn't just a camper. It's a dream for those who live for the wild, a masterpiece that proves that even the harshest lands can be home when you have the right machine. The Volvo Arctic Conqueror 6x6 doesn't just take you to the edge of the world, it dares you to go beyond.